अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह वस्सलातु वस्सलाम रसूल अल करीम अम्मा बाद औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. My dear brothers and sisters in Islam and in humanity, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May peace, mercy and blessing of Allah be upon you. Today my topic is God does not become a human being. Some people argue that God can do everything. Then why cannot He takes human form? If God wishes, He can become a human being. But then He no longer remains God, because the qualities of God and human beings in many respects are completely incompatible. The following paragraphs will show the absurdity of the idea of God becoming a human being. God is immortal and human beings are mortal. You cannot have a God man, for example, an immortal and mortal being at the same time and in the same entity. It is meaningless. God does not have a beginning while human beings have a beginning. You cannot have a person not having a beginning and at the same time having a beginning. Human beings have an end. You cannot have a being which has no end at the same time an end. It is meaningless. God Almighty does not require eating, whereas human beings require nourishment to sustain life. And He it is that feeds but is not fed. Al-Quran 6 verse 14. God does not require rest or sleep, while human beings cannot go indefinitely without rest. But He, the living, the self-subsisting, eternal, no slumber can seize Him, nor sleep. His are all things in the heavens and on earth. Al-Quran 2 verse 255. Worship of another human is useless. If the idea of God becoming a human is unacceptable, we must also agree that there is therefore no sense in worshipping another human. If God takes a human form, He ceases to be God and possesses all the qualities of a human. For example, if a brilliant professor meets with an accident and suffers irreparable loss of memory, it would be foolish on the part of his students to continue to take lessons from him in that subject. Moreover, if God takes a human form, the same human cannot later become God, since human beings, by definition, do not possess the power to become God. The worship of God in a human form is therefore a logical fallacy and should be abhorred in all its forms. That is the reason why the Holy Quran speaks against all form of anthropomorphism. The glorious Quran says in the following verse, "There is nothing whatever like unto him." Al-Quran 42 verse 11. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.